Hey everyone, myself Lakshay. Today I want to showcase a project that I have been working on, a production level Spotify-inspired SaaS platform built using the real Spotify API. This is not just a simple front-end clone or a static UI project. The goal behind building this platform was to understand how the real world SaaS applications are structured. Like, how can we make it scalable front end and back end system both, and how front end and back end will communicate to each other, and how the production, authentication, and API integration actually works. So, let me walk you through this platform. So, first thing, user can see the authentication system. So, I have just created a simple run local bat file. In this batch file, I have just simply put the npm run dev and that like how you start the front end and back end of the project. So you don't need to enter it manually every time. You can just click on this batch file, and here in first, like, you have to put your ID, client ID, the developer. You can get it from the Spotify developer option. So now let me walk in through this. So in this front end, so here you can see the uh, login by Spotify. So it's basically a O authentication with a PKCE with HTTP only. You can use this. So uh, it's it's basically a Spotify API, but it's not just a clone. It's actual. You can say it's literally an actual Spotify platform. In this, you can just put in through the login. If you are logging to the first time, you need to log in with your account. It will ask from. You can do it from Gmail also, or from whatever you have made the account in whatever platform. So whenever you will agree to this, you are sharing your Spotify information to the developers Spotify developer dashboard. So here you can see the all the directories involved in this. Once the user log in to the dashboard dynamically, it's really showing the real time data directly from the Spotify servers. This includes the let me walking through this. So here you can see it's my profile. So you can see as you can go through the search option. If you want to search any song, like we can search the Prom Queen song, and you can simply play this song, and simply you can play this. Here you can see where you do want to play this. If you are already logged in with your mobile, this will show you the real time data. Like, you are logging through your mobile, you want to switch to this PC, or you want to be here it on the mobile itself. And as you can see the search option thing, and you can see my library. These are my library, and you can see the playlist, the top artist you follow, and also you can see the albums you have logged in with the Spotify, and the uh, recently played songs. So as you can see, I have just played the prom queen. So whenever I'll re-log in to this page, this will put the recent played history over here. Also, lyrics is not displayed because of the copyright issue. As you know, Spotify don't want, like, anyone can use it for a commercial purpose. So it's just basically for a personal purpose. Yeah, you can see my profile here too in the top tracks. Yeah, that's it pretty much from this. But the real motive of making this is to make you like understand how the authentication works and how API handling is done using the loading states, the bouncing searches, and reusable components, responsive layouts, and proper state management. How you can make the application feel fast and production ready. It's literally a production ready SaaS client. So as you can see, the Lakshya's music SaaS client. It's literally a production ready platform. So the main motive was to create a production ready platform, and user can literally search for songs. They can see their libraries, playlists, artists, and yeah, many more things here we have. Also, here we are using the real Spotify Web's Playbacks SDK. SDK is basically a software development kit which we are using for this uh, playback. Like you can see, it's real time. You can see it's a real time, and you can change the volume to like you can up and high, and you can increase the volume from here. So yeah, you can also remove or add your songs. Like it's basically a Spotify platform on a on your local PC. So you can do anything you want to do. From a technical perspective, the front end was built using the React.js and Tailwind CSS to create a modern, responsive, and scalable UI. Also, the backend uses the Node.js and Express.js to handle the authentication, API communication, and token refresh mechanism. And it's basically a secure routing, so not anyone can easily hack or like interrupt the platform confidential data. Yeah, also I have heavily focused on the production practices instead of just the visual design. This includes the proper folder architecture, as you can see from here, or you can see it on my GitHub too. But the GitHub repository is kind of private because I don't want anyone can use my API. So that's why I have put that. You can literally change. You can ask for the access of this platform for me. You just need to pin me on LinkedIn. I will give you the access. Yeah. Overall, one thing I learned during this project is the real building SaaS products is very difficult. Like it's been a month, I guess. I have been building this. Yeah, it's very difficult from like you cannot directly build this by just tutorial projects. You actually need to think about the scalability and user experiences, also the security and maintainability and performance at the same time. Like you can see the performance is like literally real time. It's amazing, as you can see. There is no bit of lag over here. Yeah, you can see this. There's literally no lag over here. Yeah, that's pretty much from my side. Overall, this project helped me improve my understanding of full stack development, API integration, authentication systems, scalable architecture, and also production workflows. I'm continuously improving the platform and adding more advanced features. And this project has been like one of the biggest learning experiences so far. So, thank you for watching. I would love to hear your feedbacks. Thank you.